Shalom. First and foremost, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Ba'ashem, Yahweh Shai, Ba'ashem Karkadash. Shalom to the elders, Ba'akim Wa'akwaf, and I say Shalom. And this is a sit-down lesson that I want to bring out of 2nd Esdras Chapter 9 and verse 3. And that's the sit-down lesson that I want to bring out. And this is the book of 2nd Esdras Chapter 9 and verse 3 of the Apocryphal books of the Holy Scriptures, and it reads, "Therefore, when there shall be seen earthquakes and uproars in the people of the world." Right, so we're definitely going to continue to see the increasing of these earthquakes in diverse places. And we're definitely seeing the increasing of these earthquakes in diverse places at a large amount of rate in the year of 2023. So we've definitely been seeing an increasing, overwhelming of these high magnitudes of earthquakes in diverse places, and we're going to continue to see more signs of that in the latter days, right along with the uproars in the people of the world. And we're definitely seeing the increasing of these uproars in the people of the world, the seditions, the uprisings, the uproars in the people of the world. And we're going to continue to see the earthquakes in diverse places, increasing of a high magnitude of these earthquakes in diverse places. Because I recently just did a sit-down lesson a minute ago about a recent earthquake that took place over there in Tonga. I believe that was a magnitude from a range from 6.1 to 6.3. So that shows you a prime example right there of these increasing biblical signs of these earthquakes in diverse places. So we're going to see places where you wouldn't expect of an earthquake to hit in those different various areas. That's why it says earthquakes in diverse places. So we're going to continue to see the increasing of these high magnitudes of these earthquakes in diverse places in the latter days, right along with the uproars in the people of the world. So we having people uprising, doing protests, been increasing, which is common, but we definitely been seeing it increasing in previous years and as recently as well too. So these are increasing biblical signs that's going to increase in these modern day times. As I read it again, this is the book of 2nd Esdras, chapter 9 and verse 3 of the Apocryphal books of the Holy Scriptures, and it reads, "Therefore, when there shall be seen earthquakes increasing, diverse earthquakes in diverse places, in different various places, is only going to increase more. So like I mentioned again, it definitely been a increasing, overwhelming of earthquakes in diverse places at an alarming rate like never before. Like we witnessed never before, especially in the year 2023. You wouldn't expect to be so much outrages of increasing, of these earthquakes in diverse places around the world. And we definitely been seeing the increasing high numbers of these magnitudes of these earthquakes. Because, it's been having a scale from 6.1 to like 6.9, 7.1, 7.0 to 7.2, 7.3 to 7.5, even closer to like a 7.8 or 7.7 magnitudes of earthquakes. And we've been seeing those recent earthquakes took place over there in the Philippines not too long ago. I believe that was like a 6.9 or 7.0 to 7.1 magnitude of an earthquake, right along with the 7.6 to 7.7 magnitude of an earthquake over there in Indonesia, the Philippines, Tongan, Vanuatu Islands, Pacific, South Pacific Ocean over there. So we definitely seeing the increasing of these high-packed magnitudes of these earthquakes in diverse places. And we're going to continue to see it more and more increase, Just like over there in the British Islands, I believe it was like two earthquakes was 5.1 and 5.7 within the last minutes from one another. So we definitely been seeing an increasing. And then there was an earthquake over there in Nebraska. I believe it's like the central part or northern part of Nebraska, if I'm not mistaken, which is kind of unheard of. You rarely see earthquakes like that take place in Nebraska. As I was reading a news article, it mentioned that. I believe yesterday I did a sit-down lesson on in regards to that. So that shows you a prime example. We're going to see increasing of these earthquakes in diverse places in various places, right along with the uproars in people in the world. So with that, hopefully this sit down lesson was edifying of second Esdras chapter 9 and verse 3. So with that, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Ba'ashem, Yahweh Shai Ba'ashem Akakadash. Shalom to the elders, Ba'akim Ba'akwaf. Until next time, I will say Shalom.